Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to show network speed on any Oppo phone. Now, if you want to show the network speed of your smartphone in the status bar, just open Settings, then tap on Notifications and Quick Settings. From here, just tap on Status Bar. Now to show the network speed, just enable the toggle for real-time network speed on your smartphone. And once you do that, you will show the real-time network speed in the status bar on your smartphone. Just like that. Now, if your Oppo phone does not have the real-time network speed option in the settings, and if you want to enable this feature, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Now, in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, select Grant Permission. Then select Allow. And once you do that, you will show the network speed in the status bar of your smartphone. Just like that. And it will work even if you close the app from the background. Just like that. And this is how you can show the network speed on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.